Today, my hubs is going to replace this broken headband to the Beats headphones. These are the Solo 2.0. The replacement parts also indicate that these are for the Solo 3.0 as well. Now, I want to say this. I know that there are a lot of people that will just chuck these things in the trash and don't want to be bothered with it. But for those of you who are a little bit more frugal, you can order the replacement parts and fix these yourself, and they will be just like brand new. At the end, you will see these headphones look just like brand new. The ranges I found was reflected from Amazon, you guys. So if you choose another resource to replace your parts, you might find the prices being obviously different. But these are the ranges that I have found. Again, it showed that this replacement or these replacement parts were for the 2.0 as well as the 3.0 Solo headbands, and these are the Bluetooth wireless headbands. All of the replacement parts came with extra screws, and the headband and the soft foam headband part also came with these miniature screwdrivers. I thought that was pretty neat to be included in case you misplaced any of those parts. Most probably already know how much these Beat headphones cost. I did not. Brand new, they cost in upwards of $250. Even buying the refurbished brands cost $130 and up. So I think it's worth it to just pay a fraction of that in replacement parts and have your Beat headphones be like brand new. So the outer headband and the inner foam headband just kind of snapped together in place. And then the hinge really didn't need replacing. My hubs just decided to replace it. That was very simple as well. It probably took more time to lay everything out than to actually replace the pieces. So I would recommend, if you dare to replace your pieces rather than go and buy a whole new headset, try it. You probably would be very pleased with yourself and then feel like you have a whole new set of Beat headphones. Bye bye.